Welcome back. When you are exploring some of the productivity applications, you'll notice a number of multi-step applications. And multi-step means that you have more than two steps in the process. As you can see here, here's one where there's Trello, Evernote, and then Trello again. When you have those automations, they do require an extra step that you'll need to set up in order to get them working. The advantage, of course, is that this is considered to be one Zap and that you will not have to go through two processes in order to get these things to work. So in this video, we're going to work through a multi-step application using Gmail, Trello, and Google Sheets. We're going to start by clicking Use this Zap. We're going to start the process by creating this Zap. And the trigger to the process will be an email that we star in our Gmail account. We're going to click Continue. Then we'll connect the Gmail account that we're going to be working in. We'll then allow Zapier access to our Google account. We'll then test the account. Once we confirm success, we'll then click Save and Continue. Now, before we can proceed, we'll need to go and check our Gmail account to make sure that we have at least one email that has been starred. Now, we do have some starred emails, but we'll star others so that we can make sure that this Zap is going to be working. And now that we've confirmed, we'll click Fetch and Continue. We've confirmed and our test is successful. We'll then click Continue. Now, the next step in the process is that we're going to be using Trello. So we will then continue this process, and then we will connect our Trello account. We will then allow Zapier to use our Trello account, and then we'll click Save and Continue. We're now going to choose a specific board. We'll then choose a specific list within that board. And we can then choose the elements that we want. We can use the advanced options. We can also choose not to use the description. Once we have the elements that we want, we'll then click Continue. We've now sent the test card to Trello, and we can now click Continue. And now we can move on to the third step in the process, which is to create a spreadsheet row. So we're going to click Continue. We're now going to access our Google account. We're going to give Zapier access to our Google Drive and click Allow. We're going to test the process to make sure that it's connecting. When we confirm, we'll then click Save and Continue. And now what we'll need to do is to pick a specific spreadsheet. And then we'll pick a worksheet within that spreadsheet. We can customize the post, and you'll see that these fields are going to be optional. We're going to click Continue. We'll now click and send the test to Google Sheets. And we confirm that a spreadsheet row has just been sent, and we'll now click Finish. And now our Zap is turned on for all three levels: Gmail, Trello, and Google Sheets. And we can see in Trello that our card has been created, and our Zap is now ready to be run. Now, just to reference, you'll notice that in the spreadsheet that there is a title column, a first name and last name column. And in order to see data on the slide, we'd have to update that information in the actual Zap. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.